Can a dog spark a war? In 1925, the border between Greece and Bulgaria was a tense place. On October 22nd, a Greek soldier chased his stray dog across the border into Bulgaria and was shot by a Bulgarian soldier. This seemingly trivial incident ignited the flames of an international conflict. Enraged, Greece launched an invasion into Bulgarian territory, capturing several villages. The League of Nations quickly intervened to prevent a full-scale war. Both countries were ordered to cease hostilities, and Greece was fined for their aggression. Known as the War of the Stray Dog, this bizarre clash underscores how minor incidents can escalate dramatically.